Find all of my favorite products in my Amazon storefront, link in the description box. Hey you guys, if you'd like to see how I did my aloe vera deep conditioner, then you've come to the right place. Before we continue, make sure that you subscribe and like the video. Now let's get into it. So first what you'll be needing is, of course, an aloe vera leaf. I actually found this one at Walmart in the produce section for about $3. Also, you'll be needing an oil of your choice. I decided to use Jamaican black castor oil. Go ahead and get a container to contain the aloe vera gel and some sort of applicator bottle. Next, I'm going to chop up the aloe vera leaf. Now this part, it is extremely important that you are very safe when doing this. If you don't feel confident, please make sure you ask someone else to do it. The good news is the skin is nice, soft, and tender, so with a very sharp knife, it was really easy to cut through the skin. Next, you want to very carefully cut off all the spikes. Removing the slippery membrane from the skin is the most dangerous part of this whole process, so please, again, be very, very careful. I tried to keep my fingers out the way as much as possible. I didn't really show a good job, but as I began to cut it more and more, I feel like I did a little better job in doing so. But it's extremely slippery, slick, and it's easy to lose grip, so be very, very careful when doing this. I can't stress that enough. Next, I popped my aloe vera into a blender. I splashed in some Jamaican black castor oil and I let it rip. I will say that I should have mixed it longer than I did. It kind of startled my daughter, even though I was telling her and I was trying to prepare her for it. It really didn't work and it kind of made her cry. So I did not blend it as long as I should have. And I'll show you what happens if you don't. Next, I strain the contents into this container. I actually purchased it from the Dollar Tree. It's awesome because it has an airlock lid and I love it so much. My hair is feeling extremely dry and brittle, so that's why I decided to make this deep conditioner in the first place. And I am dampening my hair with a bit of water just so that it can accept the gel a little better. It's extremely runny, which is why I feel like it will be perfect to hydrate the hair. I honestly don't know why I didn't just put this in the applicator bottle. I think I honestly forgot. Anyway, it would have made it a lot easier, but I just applied it to my hair as I usually would with a deep conditioner, focusing on the back of my hair where I sleep, and it tends to get really coarse and really tangled, and then the bottom of my hair as well at the ends to hydrate it and give it back some life. So if you guys look closely, you will see that there are chunks still in my hair, and thankfully it's as runny as it is because it washed right out. But that's just from me, for one, not cutting the skin all the way off, so the green part was not completely cut from the gel, and also I did not mix it as long as I should. So make sure you do both of those things. I let it sit in my hair for the next hour. So here are the results, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. The footage that you're seeing now is actually from an up-and-coming video that I recorded right after I did the DIY aloe vera gel deep conditioning tutorial. So I continued that. So if you guys would like to see the up-and-coming video, make sure that you subscribe and like this video. And I hope you have a really, really good day. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye.